welcome to Citrus Pi Live Studio. So today we are going to discuss the topic of methylation with Dr. Schaffner. Dr. Schaffner, thanks for being here. First of all, what is methylation?
Methylation has just become a popular topic for, I think, a number of reasons now. My patients really have been a driving force with their education and the information that's available on the internet. It's just more of an accessible topic than it has been in the past. And really what methylation is, it's a process that happens inside all of our cells many, many times in a minute every day. And what methylation is, it's how we turn on and off our DNA. It's also how our body breaks down certain hormones, how our body makes certain neurotransmitters, how our body even makes glutathione. And to really simplistically tell you, it's really the movement of a carbon and 3 hydrogens, which is what a methyl group is, moving that biochemical grouping or pairing on different molecules.
My question then is, how can a naturopathic doctor like yourself positively impact somebody's health by helping that process?
Sure. And how I was saying, Laurent, it's just become more an accessible topic because there's better testing. And so there's a few things that we can look for. So we screen all of our patients for something called MTHFR, and that's probably the most popular topic right now. And what that is that stands for methylene tetrahydrofolate reductase. And that's an enzyme that is very important for how we process folate in the body. And it seems to be a rate-limiting step in the larger picture of what methylation constitutes. And so we screen all of our patients for MTHFR. And now that we have that information, we can see if they have certain genetic polymorphisms that would really mean that they have reduced capacity of that enzyme. And nowadays we have very simple ways to optimize if they do have a compromised folding or pairing of that, or a mutation rather, of that enzyme. We can either give them an activated form of folate or help bypass that through nutrition, lifestyle, and that sort of thing. So it's exciting because we can test for these things now.
So it starts with a diagnosis, and then you have a variety of tools in your toolbox to help people improve that way. How long has this knowledge around methylation been around? Is it fairly new?
No, it's a well-known process that has been studied for a number of years in biochemistry and in the human body. But as I'm sharing with you, it's with the field of epigenetics as well as individualized medicine. It's another way for us to really individualize our treatment protocols based on our patients' unique genetics. And so I mentioned that one enzyme, but there's also another test that's made this more accessible for our patients. And there's a test called 23andMe. A group in Silicon Valley is subsidizing patients to really have access to this information. They order a kit, they spit in a tube, they send it out to the lab, and then we have some programs that we help interpret that information. And so we get a whole host of different genetic information for all of our patients. And so we're learning more and more how we incorporate that and how we can make that really part of our patient's unique treatment plan. So it's been exciting.
In the field of aging, people are aging. What baby boomers are, more and more people are either reaching 100 or over now. Is there any links, any correlation to help with the aging process?
I do think so, because the information that we're getting is not only about methylation, but also about phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification pathways, or even other genetic information about whether people have risks for Alzheimer's or dementia or other neurological disease. So it's giving us kind of more information, what are our patients susceptible to, and then we can prevent aging or just help their body detox better, or give them nutrients that are going to help turn certain enzymes on and off better. And so I do think that this is definitely anti-aging if we use this information appropriately. So.
Or age reversal.
Yeah.
There's different ways of using it. Well, Dr. Schaffner, thank you very much for that information. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Laurent.